Can I record my video directly to USB? Well, I'll answer that question in this video. Hello friend, I'm Ron from CamMastery.com, where you can go to learn how to make great videos with Camtasia. I sometimes get the question about saving videos directly to USB, and there are a few different parts to this. The first is, can I save my videos directly to USB? And the answer is yes, you can, if your USB drive is fast enough to accept that information. In fact, right now, this video I'm recording for you right now on my camera is being piped over to my USB drive, and the write speed of the USB drive is fast enough to accept the input. I'm recording at 16 megabits per second, and the USB drive can accept that. Another thing that's important about this is that you have to have the right hardware in order to use this. Specifically, you want to make sure that you have a USB 3.0 port available on your PC. USB 2.0 and 1.0 is not fast enough to accept writing from video. The second part of the question is, can I edit my videos from a USB drive? And the answer is yes, I do the same thing. Now, I prefer to have my videos on an SSD or a local disk. I find that I get better performance whenever it's attached directly to the computer. However, I can and sometimes do edit directly from the USB drive. So yes, again, if it's fast enough, you can edit your videos from USB. The last part of the question is, can I use the USB drive to make backups? Well, of course. Videos take up a lot of space on your drive, and you probably don't want to keep them there forever, so we'll move them off into a separate external drive for backup. Now, there are a few things to keep in mind for this. Number one, you'll want to keep things organized into project folders. So what I do is I have a different number for each video I create, and I put all my files into those project folders. Number two, if you're using Camtasia, then you can export a file as zip, and that will grab everything, all of your media, and be able to put it in a single file that you can use as a backup. And last, when you need to go back and edit from your backups, you might need to tell Camtasia where to find those new files. When you originally saved the file, it was probably on your local drive, like your C drive, but now it's on an external drive, something like an F drive or a G drive. So you just need to tell Camtasia where to find that new file. If you want to see more information about finding that media, be sure to check out the Update Media video.